Gogo Business Aviation has finished construction of the nationwide ground infrastructure of its 5G air-to-ground network. During an evening event at the NBAA-BACE conference in Orlando on October 17th, Gogo live-streamed video from a mountaintop in Oregon, some of it by drone, of a technician installing the last antenna on the final tower of its 150-tower network. The network now covers the contiguous United States. The company plans to expand the network into Canada next year. Duncan Aviation has completed a first article supplemental type certificate to install dual belly-mounted antennas in a line-replaceable unit on a Cessna Citation 560 XLS business jet. Gogo says it is working with business aircraft manufacturers and several authorized dealers to develop additional STCs that will cover 30 aircraft models. Gogo says the high-throughput, low-latency 5G system addresses an increasing demand for data-heavy interactive services like video conferencing, live television, and gaming.